Hi everyone, this is Eric here. I'm the trainer, speaker, and author. Today we have a special guest who flew all the way from Penang and he's only 17 years old who's become a millionaire. Let's welcome Ainsley Chan. How you doing,
Yes, hi.
Ainsley?
Hi,
How you
Eric.
doing?
Hi.
So I heard your story is pretty much inspiring, and at the age of 17, you really have built your own billion-dollar business as well, which I find it is pretty challenging for many of you, but somehow you succeeded. So congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Yeah. So just want to share with everyone here, what's your business all about? Like what do you guys do?
So now I'm currently into the dropshipping business now because of you don't require any stocks, no risk at all on the inventory side, and you can start at minimal cost.
Ah, I see. So how long actually you already thought about this idea? Like what's the duration of it? Like
So I discovered this way back like 8 months ago.
Oh,
And I
okay.
started trying this. I saw this online, like some gurus teaching about it. So I was so curious about it. Just went to it 8 months, but I failed 8 months. After then only I got my first breakthrough.
wow, 8 months.
Yeah.
You feel 8 months. Wow. So there's a lot of things that are going on throughout the whole 8 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm also curious as well because many youth nowadays is after they graduate from high school, they surely will figure out what's next for them, like which college they have to go to, what course to take, and all. But you actually skip college, right? I mean, you're 17 and you're not even in college now. You just started your business. So what made you decided to start on this entrepreneurship journey?
So first of all, I don't like studying.
Oh, neither do I.
So I took IGCSE because the main course for mine one is so hard.
Okay.
I got C's and D's only for every subject, 7-8 subjects.
Oh,
Everything is a C and D. So I came out and then I took IGCSE, which I studied for like 2 months and then got bad grades as well. And then after that, I am into the business thing already.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow! I wish I was young like you. 真好啊你. Damn lucky. Alright, so with that, I'm pretty sure you have gone through a lot of like challenges and also have received some breakthroughs along the way. So could you share with us like what are a few challenges that you have encountered, that you had some difficulties, but at the end of the day you actually overcome it as well?
Yeah, so the first thing is a money problem. I don't have any money to do the dropshipping business, but I generated it through like working some part-time jobs and everything. Yeah, so money, and then the knowledge.
Okay.
Nobody taught me about how to do this, how to do that. What about the logistic thing, Facebook marketing, and everything. Right, so you have to learn myself, ask people.
Yeah, so basically it's like money doesn't fall from the sky lah. Okay,
Yeah.
you gotta work hard for it, and the knowledge is you don't jump right in and just
Yeah.
do it blindly. You gotta gain some knowledge and also be prepared of what things you need to do and get it done lah. Yeah, okay, cool. Inspiring. Alright, so and also we have come across that many youth nowadays, they have this thought that they like to do things fast, they like to earn money fast, they like to do like get some shortcut, like the quickest way and stuff like that. So what is your advice for this youth? Like, do you think they should like have this path going or something else? What was your thoughts?
Just be patient. Just overcome all of the failures, and eventually you'll become successful. That's
but-
just the main advice.
But do you think it's a good idea for them to like do the shortcut way, like be quick and fast, or just
No, never have the mindset of doing like earning quick money or getting money. I don't know lah. Yeah,
fast?
Yeah,
doesn't work that way,
yeah.
right?
It doesn't work. Right?
Oh.
Maybe you can get money fast, but not for long term.
Okay, so long term is very important.
Yeah, long term is very
Okay,
important.
and also last one is what is that like if you want to become a successful individual, doesn't have to be an entrepreneur, but even as an employee or any ordinary man or woman, what is the mindset that they should actually carry on?
So learn as many things as you can, and go into many like different things, 不一样的 industry and everything. Go into that and be patient.
Yeah.
I can see that many youth, they don't really like patience. Like they do something for 3 months and then they give up. or 4 months, 5 months, then they give up. They don't go like consistently.
Yeah, there's no persistency, there's no consistency there,
true,
there's no willpower there.
Yes.
Okay, so you're saying that the youth should actually explore out their horizons and see what actually suits them rather than, sticking to one-sided.
Yes, that's true, yeah.
Okay.
Because many of them don't know what they want to do. Like they'll tell you, I don't know what to do after university, I don't know what to do after college, what should I do, like doctor, lawyer, something. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool. Fun. So before we leave, is there any advice or any message you'd like to share with the audience out there? Not just the youth, but also even the adults as well.
So don't give up, always believe in yourself and be patient. Patience is key. Patience is really the key. Yeah.
Patience, don't rush.
Patient,
Don't rush. Don't rush.
Patient.
Just be patient. Alright, so that's it for today. I'd like to thank Ainsley for having us here. He actually flew all the way from Penang here. So yeah, from his advice here is just be patient and explore your horizons and don't give up. Yeah,
True.
Never give up. Never give up your dreams and all. So that's it for today. Everyone, remember, stay awesome and alive as always. See you there. Bye.
Bye.